Hi everyone, how you doing? Today I want to show you how I make this cute hairstyle for my babies. This is a video of a typical Saturday where we make hairstyles. So for this hairstyle, we're going to be making trading hairstyle, and for it I'm going to be using the yarn wools. So I make the 3 of my baby's hair under the space of 5 to 6 hours. So like I would usually say, it takes this longer because of shooting and also getting them to sit, because at some point I have to stop and pacify them. Please sit still, let's make the hair. Okay, we get to count how many the hair is remaining. So to start making this hair, I first of all go ahead and section it. I mostly do this sectioning off video because I feel like it's easier for me, and then I just get right into shooting and braiding the hair, guys. So I section it and then I start to braid it. But to start this, I'm making Harmony's hair first. To start her hair, because she has more fuller hair, I started by braiding the front hair. I braided it before I went ahead to use 2 yarn wool to thread it. So the reason I did this is I allowed the hair to like bunch, like fold easily, so that it doesn't give her so much pain. But you will see in Melody's case how I threaded her own hair. I just went ahead and did it without braiding it. So I'm showing you these methods. It's possible. So I did the first 2 lines, and then I started connecting the first one to the third one, and then I'll connect the third one to the 4th hair. This way I'm holding it all together at once. Guys, you can also finish the braid before you go ahead and connect each of them, but I feel this way is easy and works well for me. So guys, just follow me and you'll see how this hair turns out so well. Don't worry, the hair was not tight at all. I made sure of it. You can see that she's so relaxed. If she was feeling pain, you would know. So I'm very careful to make sure it's not giving them any pain at all. I try not to put so much friction on the hair. So I finished the first line. This hairstyle, I sectioned the lines into 4. I didn't want so much of it. I sectioned it into 4 straight lines, vertical lines, and 4 horizontal lines. This way I had about 4 on each line. That's 12 in total. And doing it this way was so that it will make my work a little bit easier. For my last baby, I just did 3 sections for her because that's the most she can sit. And then right now what I'm doing is to pat this hair with some hair gel so that I can get neat finish and neat ends. Guys, you can see how the hair is turning out so beautiful. It's looking all well put together already. Harmony sits still and it's very, very comforting. Like most times I prefer to start plaiting the twins' hair first, either Melody or Harmony, because they are much bigger and they can sit still. So at this point, Mama is tired and I wanted to sit down to catch my breath. Guys, I already carried this waist. Use this way to carry 3 children, so I have to sit at some point, stand at some point, because I'll be doing this for some hours. And as you can see, the seat is not so high. Right now I'm using the low seats that I have, so I had to sit at some point also to be able to get this hair get to the level and do it as well as I could. So at this point, you can see Pennal, as usual, is trying to seek for attention and climb all over. I have Melody at my back trying to put a paper crown on my head. And on this day, it was Murdering Sunday, and I think they got the deal. So they were trying to put a paper crown on my head, and I released every attention that I get. Guys, this moment, I treasure it so well. It can be tiring, it's not easy, but I treasure like all these moments I get to spend with them, bonding and like trying to make their hair. At this point, Harmony is tired. She doesn't want to plait anymore, so I had to start begging her, and I'm counting on my fingertips how many hair we still have left. And right now we have just about 4 more hair to go, and she's tired, but she has agreed and she's sitting still and we're doing it and almost done, you see. So it's almost done, and right now you can see I'm trying to do the finishing of the hair. So I'm tying the ends all together after I like connected the 2 lines on each side. So I've connected them, and then I'm holding them on each side, and then I'll proceed to burn it with candle. Guys, this is it, all finished. And we did this hair under 1 hour and 30 minutes. I like to check the time and keep to it because, guys, I have to make 3 kids hair, and at the time we started this hair, it was already 3 p.m. by our time. So more or less, we're expected to finish this hair by 8 p.m. And guys, don't forget the snack breaks, the lunch break. So guys, all of these things. So I'm showing you the reality of trying to make our kids hair. So I'm not like making this video into so much fast forward and skipping a lot of things. I'm showing you the real deal, like how we make the hair. So right now you can see I'm making Melody's hair. So I'm starting on the other parts. You can see how I started the hair. I didn't make any braid for her hair. I just went into it because Melody has quite lighter hair than Harmony. Harmony's hair is so full, and you have to give it like a lot more attention, and most times that's why I like prefer to start with her. But when it comes to sitting still, Melody can sit still better than Harmony. Yes, she can sit still better than Harmony. Harmony tires out faster because she's so hyperactive. Oh my god, they are so hyperactive. And guys, like I told you in the other video, these are the twins that I was told may not be able to even walk. And guys, God, they are so much stronger than me. My hands are so full. So you can see how I'm going and doing this hair. See, it's so nice and put together. You can see like it's not so tight at all or painful that they feel so much pain. Right now we're having some snack break, okay, and we're enjoying some cookies while doing the hair and some juice. Guys, being a mom of 3 girls, I have my work cut out for me. It's something I enjoy doing, but guys, sometimes I also want someone to style their hair. But like I said, when you are here and it's very expensive and you can do it, why not do it by yourself? And that's what I keep doing. Like most times, hair day is such a full day. In fact, for me, it's a whole day. So I have to give all my day, and on a certain day I must make my 3 girls hair, because I like to do it that way, so that when the hair is done on a particular day, when it's school day, okay, we're going. When it's church day, okay, we're going. So I don't like to carry over any person's hair. So if we start hair day, we lose the hair, say on Friday, I do the wash in the morning when we are bathing, and then we go ahead to plait. So any day it's hair day, that's all for that day. That's the only thing I'll be doing on that day, plaiting their hair, bonding their hair, and being with them. So right now Melody's hair is all done, and it's so beautiful. Guys, look at how beautiful the hair turned out, guys. So finally, after this, I'm going to secure the hair with a thread here, and then I will cut it and bond the loose end. with my candle. Guys, at this point, of course, you have to be very careful not to burn the child. So see, it's so lovely, it's so beautiful. And that's it. Do you like it? What do you think, guys? It's so beautiful and very easy to do, I bet you. And finally, we're making Pennal's hair. I had to cut the video, like I had to concentrate on making her hair because Pennal cannot sit still at this time. She's not up to 2 years old. She's my youngest and still little. So sitting still, her attention span or ability to sit still for a long time is not so big right now. So you see how I made it. I just parted hers into 6 and then made it, and we're done. So this is it, and hair is looking all put together and very beautiful. And this day was a productive day for me. Thank you for watching.